Can you guarantee they will stay in Tokoroa?
Would you like them to be in Tokoroa?
Yes.
Alright, we've got
I'll
guarantee it stays in Tokoroa. We've got a facility with equipment in Tokoroa.
Display to everyone that is free to go and see me as they like.
Yeah, well, that's the plan. If I can explain what we're doing, we're setting up a historical site. We've got Councillor Bill Matchins leading that. We've got a lady who's going to basically find all the historical memorabilia, literature, and everything in the district. She'll catalogue it. That isn't somewhere in a private collection, we'll actually take to facilities and look after it and make it available for people to come and see.
Okay, so what about the ones?
So this would apply. This will be the first.
What about the memories? Can you store them?
Okay, look, at the end of the day, I understand you've got an attachment to the book. As I say, it's all part of the rationalisation of making sure.
The attachment that I have to this building is the feeling like when we walk through that door and see all these people that turn around and have spent so long and so many years, and all the feeling of people that have died and passed on and everything, and it's in this building.
So does that mean we leave every building standing up around town because of its historical?
Well, the people are right through.
That's just like off the.
And that's just a part.
Well, it's not. I'm sorry, it's not a cop out. At the end of the day, the world is changing. This building hasn't been utilised for what it was built for close on 10 years. Close on 10 years. Now, you're all sitting here telling me that you love this building size. How often were you in here? I'm sorry, I'm getting angry now because I'm getting accused.
I have been in this place quite a few times along with you. Okay, you're talking about halfway to here. You're talking about because this building is an eyesore because of that building over there. Okay, the community built this building. The community did, as they have buildings around here. Why don't you give the community an option to revamp this building? No. Okay, you're saying that there's never been a line to fitness for this place? We have asked if we could do a line to fitness. Okay, we've been turned down because apparently you're going to do it, but never mind. Okay, so why can't you give the community the opportunity of revamping this place? Okay, you want to walk right through here?
No, he wants a garden.
What you're doing,
No, he wants to do a garden.
Okay, work around it. Work with the community, not against the community. Revamp this place. Yeah, you can put a garden in here, a beautiful garden. You can actually put a nice walkway through here with lights. Okay? I can see the vision because I'm part of the community. Okay? So why can't you see that same vision?
So what will the building be used for?
Oh, look, meetings and that. We can start off the bowling and kids.
Well, bowling hasn't worked for 10 years. What's going to change now? What's changing?
For kids.
All of a sudden, when the council says that we need to move the building out, we all of a sudden
it's not just a building.
I don't understand.
No. This is just not a building. This has got a lot of whakapapa to it. Okay? Even when I was small, this place was here. When we started paying people out there. There was only 2 courts out here, but this building was here. This building used to allow us to come in when it used to rain, to sit in here and dry off. This is what this building served me as a child. Okay?
And I
now,
understand that.
We've got a lot of young people out there that are always in the newspaper with burgers and blah, blah, blah. We're starting to pull our young people in, especially with our league. This is a bit like the league. We take a lot of kids in, we nurture them not only through the winter season, but also through the summer season. And we're always looking for more opportunities for our kids to get involved in certain, a lot of sports areas. I never thought of bowls. Only reason, I think you spoke to me the other day, and I really think that bringing this place back to life, through our tamarikis, we've had a lot of, we've had junior Kiwis, we've had bowls, bowl people that have served not only our area but in another manner. They've gone to the nationals. We've had cricket players. So why can't you look at that vision?
Because there's a great rugby league club over here.
Oh yeah, but don't you go there with me? Oh yeah, I'm going to discuss about that building down
So
here.
we've got 2 rugby league clubs to utilise the young.
No, actually, one at the moment.
And you've got Marie Hawkins who got the Churchill's
Yeah, well,
an award for administrative.
well, I'm part of that. Okay, so what I need to discuss tell you something, because what I'm right, if I open the door to that, I'll tell you something on embarrassment, right? So don't go there with me. I'm here about this place here, okay? About the future. What future can it hold for our kids? Our kids, you know, everybody's going to Aussie, mate.
For 10 years, it hasn't done anything for our children.
Yeah, but I've been away for 20 I've been away for 20 No, don't be rude. I haven't finished yet. That's been really rude, this. Okay? I've been away for 20 years. Okay, so, hey, I went away before there wasn't any job opportunities here back in those days, so I went away. I'm back. I'm back to stay. I'm not going anywhere. Alright? So, in the meantime, like I said, this place has got a lot of whakapapa, not only to me, also to my children. Now, I've seen the vision, and you guys refuse to see the vision because it's an eyesore. What they bloody do.
I'd like to just bear with me for a few moments. I'm John Carpenter. I started at Tokerau East School in 1948, went there for 56. And my connection with this place is through my wife Colleen Pennell, Nee Pennell, Carpenter now, and her mum and dad were part and parcel of this lovely facility in its day. I'm not going to knock it or rock it. I want about the money really. Okay, so my connection now is I'm with Tokerau East School, centenary this year, 100 years for Tokerau, the school that was started. We've got a dream and a wish for that property, and our wish and dream, like Julie's, is to create that place, the heritage building, which we have all the credentials for. Dylan Blair, my next door neighbour, has done a lot of research over the last 2 or 3 years, and we formed a committee, so we're doing a jubilee for there, and our hope is that we secure the building for the people of Tokerau, all people of Tokerau. With that there, our dream is that part of the original building, or the original building that's got heritage on it, is that memorabilia like this will go into what we're going to hopefully happen, a museum for Tokerau and the outlying districts. The other buildings will hopefully, they've got a sound warrant of fitness, they're of good heart, like this place. And, you know, I have a lot of fond memories, and so does my wife Colin with this place. So that's our dream and what we're working towards. I realise that the building is old, and as they say, you've got to move on, and okay, and bite the bullet, whatever. But I'm not knocking it, and that's our dream for Tokerau East School. Okay, so I'm the treasurer and the secretary, so okay, I'll speak. And yeah, thank you. Thank you for hearing me out.
On the other side tonight, also Saturday night I took the performance done. And what I'm hearing from the council perspective is what they have to do. What they do. No matter what we say, what they have to do. Whether we support what they have to do is another story. For a start, who at the council tell us what they're going to do with these? The discussion about these parliament here should be discussed with the old members. Not them sitting and saying, oh, we're going to preserve them and look after them. Who at the council to say that? Second thing, when you turn around and say for about 15 years, this place hasn't been used by any sporting body or even team, you need to get the facts right. I've been in this building many times with Forest Land, Pacific, many times, Forest View High School, First 15. We've used this building quite often. It's even been used for funerals. So, you know, for you to say this building hasn't been used, you people don't know, you don't know who does the booking. You don't know who books the place. So, you know, when you talk about that 2010 research you've done amongst your committee, I can't see anyone in here that set up that committee, at that table, and